What was that? Did you hear that one? Yeah. Huh. It's a weird sound. You think that's what that sound is, an earthquake? No, that's